Hey there, it's Steve
and Connor
from SeriousKeto.com. And what are we going to be doing today?
Today we're going to be sampling the Keto Sampler Meat Stick Platter from Mission Meats.
It's not really on a platter yet, it's in a bag, but I suppose we could put it on a platter.
Yeah.
But before we do that, if you enjoy low-carb cooking videos, product and ingredient reviews,
Like this one we're doing right now,
as well as lessons learned from my experiences with the ketogenic lifestyle and intermittent fasting, click that subscribe button right down there. And while you're at it, click that bell next to it so you're notified whenever I release a new video. So this
beef bar and a beef stick, another beef stick.
So we have three, I think, what do we have here? Four
Looks
things,
like
three things?
we have a turkey stick and 3 beef things.
Okay. So in the sampler pack, you get a total of 12 meat sticks, 3 of which are beef, 1 is turkey. Now, I don't have my reading glasses on, so either I'm going to need longer arms or I'm going to need you to kind of call out anything that you see that looks especially important on there.
Well, we have it's grass-fed beef, so, healthy cows. No nitrates, nitrites, gluten-free, no MSG, paleo-friendly, and it's keto.
Okay. Is there an ingredients list?
Yes.
I'll read through this. I can actually read. So as I look through this, beef, sea salt, encapsulated citric acid, celery powder, black pepper, red pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, coriander. That's it. There's nothing especially chemical added to this. No sugar added, and that's one of the things I notice when I go to Costco. Anytime you look at the various jerkies and bars, they all have a lot of sugar added that takes them right out of the keto zone. This 12-stick sampler pack cost $25, so you're looking at about $2 a bar.
It's a lot.
Let's see if they're worth it. What do you want to start with?
Well, I think the beef bar and the beef stick are the same flavor, so why don't we start with those two?
Okay.
See if they're different or if they're just a different shape.
Ready?
I'm ready. So first thing I notice, it doesn't get stuck in your teeth.
No. This is by far the most tender beef stick I've ever had. And to me, it tastes, I felt like I was eating a burger. It's more peppery.
Yeah, it's probably not as tasty as like a, Slim Jim or a Jack Link's, but the fact that you don't have to spend an hour picking your teeth after eating it, it's kind of a big bonus.
Well, I also think that some of those other bars are a little too powerful on the seasoning. To me, this tastes like steak. I like this. This is really good. All right, it just says beef stick original. That was beef bar original.
Well, this was tasty original. Is that tasty original?
Just says original.
So there you go. Maybe it's not tasty.
I would say you're correct. It is not as tasty.
Yeah, it's less flavorful than the beef stick. Or the beef bar. The beef stick is less flavorful than the beef bar. Mm-hmm. And the beef bar probably has a better texture as well, I'd say. It's still not a bad stick, but
you raised a good point earlier. I don't think I've had a Slim Jim in my life where something didn't get stuck back to one of my molars.
Right.
Some random chunk of animal cartilage or something that got ground up in the process. So good.
Not as good as a beef bar.
Not as good as a beef bar. All right, what do you think next?
I think we do the turkey one next because, well, I don't like turkey at all, and we both kind of like spicy things, and this beef stick is jalapeno. So why don't we finish with something that's tasty?
We have a chance to finish strong.
Yeah.
Or who knows, maybe this is great. You're not buying it?
I don't like turkey. It's not good.
It's sliced a lot easier. I don't know if that means anything.
I don't like this at all.
This just...
I'm good. I don't need any more. You can have the rest. It's all yours.
I can have that chunk you chewed on
Yeah,
already?
yeah.
Okay.
If you want it.
No, I'll pass. There's some seasoning in here.
So it's still 100% like free range turkey. So it's still like healthy animal.
There's something like sort of with a sort of a citrusy.
So turkey, water, sea salt, citric acid, celery powder, black pepper, red pepper, garlic powder, coriander, onion powder. But it's turkey, but it's stuffed in beef casings. So if you're like against beef, it still isn't good for you.
Well, no, the casings, I don't know what does it say beef casings?
Yeah, beef collagen casings.
Oh,
so
okay.
if you don't eat beef, then you still can't eat this turkey stick.
But you wouldn't want to anyway, because this is unpleasant.
It doesn't get stuck in your teeth though.
So there's that.
Yeah.
That brings us to the jalapeno beef stick. At this point, I'm kind of wishing this was a jalapeno beef bar.
Well, maybe they make that. This is just a sampler pack, so that you know never to buy a turkey stick. So there's jalapenos
I see
in
it
there
already.
Yeah, this is really good.
That is some great jalapeno flavor.
Yeah, it has jalapenos in the beef stick, like the actual chunks of jalapeno. It's not just like they put on some weird flavor thing.
And it's not overly spicy.
No,
It's
quite good.
this is good. I'm telling you.
Yeah, this is by far the best one. This jalapeno stick right here is the best.
All right, so you want to rank them?
Yeah, so obviously turkey's the worst.
Yeah,
we knew
turkey
that going
is.
in.
If that were a beer, it would be a sink pour. Not good.
The original beef stick,
Which was good, but I don't know that I would pay $2.
probably the third best.
I don't know that I'd pay $2 for that.
Beef bar was very good.
I loved that. In fact, I mean, I wish they had one the size of a patty that I could just put on bread.
However, the jalapeno stick was just phenomenal.
It was great. So I would absolutely pay $2 for this jalapeno beef stick. I would pay $2 for the beef bar. Beef stick, could kind of take it or leave it, and the turkey is just...
I'd go get a refund.
Based on that, I see myself buying more of these, especially if I can get these in bulk. It's worth trying for the sampler pack. I will include the link to the sampler pack below in case you'd like to try it out yourselves. Maybe you like turkey more than we do.
Maybe you do. I don't.
Anyhow, thanks for watching.
See ya.